Welcome to the Levante Beach during sunset. Many would think, oh, it's gonna be empty, there's gonna be no people here, but it couldn't be more wrong. There's DJ sessions preparing cocktails with coffee. There's live music everywhere you go. Incredibly packed up terraces. So many people on the Levante Beach Promenade, and of course, the favorite beach bars. Welcome. Welcome to Benidorm, Levante Beach. During the sunset. It is Friday night here in Benidorm, and this is an incredible time on the Levante Beach. Today's day was really hot, and at this point of the day the sea temperature is really nice, and there's giant machines arriving to the Levante Beach. I still thought it was slightly too early, but hey, I guess not. There's tractors and big machines arriving slowly but surely to the Levante Beach to prepare everything for the cleanup of the beach. But there's still a lot of people out there. Wild Duck Beach Sports Bar. Plenty of people on the terrace. Some football games are happening right now, as usual they are, or boxing or horse racing, whatever there is happening. Stag and Peasant here, full of people, a lot of groups, a lot of couples, friends, just having a lovely drink in the evening. This is the time when it's not as hot outside any longer, which means that tourists and locals are able to finally enjoy Benidorm. This is something very typical in summer. We can barely enjoy our city on midday unless it is somewhere inside or in the shade. So we usually enjoy it either early in the morning or after the sun starts to set down. Something very typical of our region, and not only here but also in Andalusia and other parts of Spain. People tend to go out, and Spanish tends to go out later in the day. That is because the temperatures drop a tiniest bit and it's already comfy to be outside. This is also why you will see plenty of people on the beach having a swim now, because now they can thoroughly enjoy it. Plenty of terraces here, such as Cafe Roman. They've put up the terrace lights, cozy, nice, warm atmosphere. This is a lovely place to go. We've reviewed it here on the channel, and it was all right. It's all right. It's not out of the world place, especially if you ask for a menu. A la carte, maybe yes, because plates are more elaborated. Bikini Beach place. We've been here for a nice breakfast by the beach. We've shown it to you guys, and they do have on Fridays, like weekends especially, there are specific DJ sessions here. Just look at how many people there are enjoying some lovely and nice DJ music. And they even have special cocktails here and special offers. Look at that. This is insane. Some special experience here. It's a techno cafe. Look at that. A value of the experience, 10 euros per person. They say there's handmade, homemade focaccia included, cold and warm degustations, the espresso martini, which is what I suppose they're preparing right now, and the specialty coffee. Ooh, this must be nice. Wow, this must be energizing. Apart from a cocktail, you also get it with a coffee, like with the specialty coffee. This is insane. 10 euros. Not too much, honestly. If you get focaccia, you get some food here. Let's check it out. It includes to try some warm and cold ones, espresso martini, and handmade, homemade focaccia. Ooh, that's interesting. Colombian coffee with some roasted beans on it. Wow, this is actually looking very nice. It's a shame I don't drink coffee at all, but hey, this is looking really lovely. And there's a DJ session out here too. Plenty of people. That is why there's so many people here on the terrace. Usually it is quite packed up, but overall, whenever there is DJ sessions, there's pizzas, like a free pizza evening. It's really busy in this specific place. People know it. People love good places, good atmosphere, music, and to enjoy the views of the Levante Beach. What can be better than that? Plenty of people, way more than you would expect, on the Levante Beach Promenade right now. And honestly, we are here too. This is the best moment to enjoy it, and especially if you have time, you're on holidays, this is the best time to have a lovely walk down the Levante Beach Promenade. You don't need sunscreen any longer, sun hats. Just enjoy all the skyline and everything it has to offer, which is what plenty of people are doing right now. The Sea Museum is still open. Look at that. This is a small sea museum that gives you a history, the information about the sea, about the marine life. It's called the Museum of the Sea, basically Aula del Mar. It's like a classroom of the sea. It's open from midday/evening time towards later night times, because probably that's when the vast majority of people will be visiting it. Morning time is booked for the beach experience and for swimming inside of the sea. Oasis Beach Club, I think if I'm not wrong, they have a swimming pool inside. It is a place that is widely used for events. There's like modeling shows, bikini shows. There's events, corporate events for different types of big companies. Overall, it's rented out quite a lot. But whenever it's not, it's just a typical beach club area with some lovely music, DJ, and I'm quite sure there is a pool inside. The Artigas 2 place that we've shown you guys with the typical Spanish menu, and they had a lobster rice, which was incredible. Giant paella for just the two of us. We've enjoyed it a lot. And it's available in Benidorm Battle Series here on the channel. Lil Bob's is closed today, probably for a staff day out, for a relaxed day. Beach Terrace here, as usual, packed up with people.
190.2 is a free shot for everyone. Welcome to Beach Terrace.
Did I hear it right? Free shots? Woo! This is not bad at all. They do have a lot of offers, I gotta say, for groups, like party groups, whatever you're celebrating. They do have a lot of offers out here. Some shots, jugs, buckets, cocktail deals, happy hours, a little bit of everything for party groups, which is why so many like bigger groups of friends are actually visiting these types of bars here on the Levante Beach. Many people already came here to their second like vacational holiday homes. There's plenty of Spanish by now. It is a mixed tourism already. There's plenty of Spanish, but at the same time, there's plenty of international tourists too. So everyone are here, especially now when obviously children don't have school any longer. It is authentic summer. It is summer holidays. And many families, if they're able to, are grabbing their holidays right now before August months come. August is the most expensive month for holidays. Let us know if some of you are coming here in August and how different the price that you've paid was comparing with last year or with previous years. Because August is like probably not even the best month to travel any longer, simply because it is really hot outside and not all people can tolerate this heat really well. So people are enjoying things right now. People are enjoying June, July thoroughly. And these are also not the most expensive months either. They are expensive, but not like August month actually is. So many people are arriving right now, which is why it's going to be real busy. And you can actually see that even in the evening, like at 9 in the evening, when the sun is setting down, just right now, it is actually quite busy. And look at that. This place right here has customers in it. Did they put something different? Don't stop music, oh, they did put, look at that. Good for them. Finally, they've put some advertisements on the entrance. Maybe they've seen our video. Don't think so, because not all places obviously know that we exist. However, I feel like it is really good for them. Because this place didn't have any kind of information boards. People didn't know which kind of drinks there are, which kind of prices they are. They didn't know anything about this place. It was just like a giant TV screens showing beer, but no deals, no nothing. There was no information. So people just didn't go inside. Like, why would I go there if I don't know what's waiting for me, you know? So now they do have some boards with information, which obviously worked because there's people on the terrace. Good for them. Really happy because it is a huge terrace. It has a lot of potential in it, honestly. Here nearby, we have some more places that we've visited already and still pending for a visit. La Bahia restaurant, and there's some music with live performance here, which is also very, very typical. By summertime, there are many street performance, like groups of guys, girls, literally just young generations showing out their skills, doing tricks, dancing, making pictures of you, and then gifting them to you free of charge. But if you want to tip them, usually that's what they accept, and that is how they earn, honestly, the money. There's plenty of these groups coming from Ukraine. We also know that. And there's quite a bit of them here in Benidorm. Trying to make a living by showing their skills. Many people are heading from the beach just right now, probably to grab some dinner, to get a few drinks, enjoy some evening shows, entertainment, Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays. And overall in summer, it's a whole week, maybe with an exception of a Monday or Tuesday. All the rest of the week, there's plenty of night entertainment in the area. There are so many shows, tributes, live music, concerts on the rooftop terraces in Benidorm, which is the ones that we have pending to show you guys. On the rooftop terraces, there also are plenty of live music and DJ sessions with some nice cocktails and snacks. Thus, if you're a fan of these, to have a nice drink or meal with a view, stay tuned for our videos because we'll be showing you also the rooftop terraces here in Benidorm for the summer, and not only for the summertime, but obviously in summer they have slightly more things going on. Outside of a summer season, they do have still cocktails and drinks and snacks and some music, but there's no like live DJ sessions, only mostly on weekends. Nearby, we have the Jungle and the Bikini Beach, two also very popular places. The Jungle is the same owners as the Bikini Beach. And this place right here has some nice drinks. They have nice offers for cocktails, which are not expensive comparing with other places. And this area is the busiest that you will see on the Levante beach, probably together with the old town side of the Levante beach. And why is that? Well, because obviously here we have the Bikini Beach, the already maybe world even famous place, the terrace where there's live DJ sessions, where so many people in groups of different ages are just coming to listen to the music, to grab some nice cocktails. They have bucket deals here. They have cocktail deals, happy hours. It's just a very nice atmosphere. It's a holiday party atmosphere. It is a pleasant place to be, non-conflict place, let's say it like this. It's a healthy place to be, which is why so many people are choosing it here on the Levante beach. And there's barely any nightclubs left, honestly, at all here on the Levante beach. The Bikini Beach plus Penelope are like the closest things to the nightclub here on the Levante beach. Live performance here on the left side by the Cayman Beach, and then we have another performance right here with DJ on the Bikini Beach. The Banana, also a very nice bar slash pub. Really friendly staff here. A lot of deals and cocktail deals and a lot of things here available for you guys. It's just a very nice place. People love it. Tourists love it. The Miller's Beach, because there's also another Miller's by the next to the British Street on the Lepanto Street. And this is always packed up. They have some silent discos going on, some music sessions. What in the world? People are strong. Tattoo and piercing places. People are grabbing shots. Oh my God, I'm not sure if I can show this on the internet. People are enjoying their holidays to the fullest. Nearby, we have some more restaurants and places to grab some drinks. This is like a Rock and Ribs. Some nice entertainment here on the terrace, but at the same time they do offer quite a lot of nice food, which is perfect if you want some entertainment but you want to grab some dinner at the same time, just enjoy some music. Really not a bad place to be. And another restaurant, which is a pizzeria style. Obviously here it's slightly quieter, but you can hear all the music and all the entertainment happening nearby in the nearby places. This is good for family friendly, honestly, and obviously family friendly place because they have a little bit of everything, and what children do love are pizzas and spaghettis and pastas, so perfect for families. They do have offers here as well. Very nice pizzeria place. We might need to check it out for you guys quite soon. Let us know if you would like us to do so. They also have like an open air terrace here. And then you have the Indian place, which is Cafe India. Never tried it before, but it is really busy with people this evening. This is how Benidorm looks like during sunset on a Friday night. Thank you for accompanying us in today's walk.